Wherefore he called his servants, such as were honorable and had been brought up with him from his youth, and parted his kingdom among them while he was yet alive. And the kingdom was parted into 4 parts. You had 4 major, you actually had a 5th, but the 4 majors that came out of, the major generals that came out of Alexander, and which is also spoken of in Daniel 11th chapter. Daniel 11th chapter is already, that prophecy already took place. So anybody that goes to Daniel 11th chapter and say, oh, that's talking about the Antichrist, they don't understand. You err not knowing the scriptures. But anyway, when you go to Daniel 11th chapter, the first 3 or 4 verses speak about the Medo-Persians, then Alexander, then his 4 generals, which I'll name them briefly. Lacomasus, Cassandra, Seleucid, and Ptolemy. Now, Daniel 11 chapter, that whole chapter is dedicated to the 6 Syrian wars, which were against the Seleucid dynasty and the Ptolemaic dynasty. Now, none of these other Israelites will tell you that, because they don't know it, because it wasn't taught to them. The high priest, the 7 never taught this, because they didn't know it. They didn't understand the understanding of Daniel the 11th chapter, so they never went into it. They briefly pulled out a verse or 2, but they never broke it down, which fulfills, I have become wiser than my teachers.